Flavour Chasers, we are back with a brand new episode now. Today, we've hooked up with Hake Birmingham, the sickest fish supplier in the Midlands. Don't at me, blood, ever. And we're going to cook some hake. You lot voted on Instagram. If you don't follow on Instagram, follow on Instagram because you get to vote on sick stuff like this. And we're going to cook hake today, yeah? Bow! Right then, Flavour Chasers. First thing we're going to do, we're going to prep the hake. Big old fish. Don't be scared. Look at it. Beautiful bit of produce. Hold tight, Hake Birmingham for the produce, blood. Look at it. Massive. Just yesterday, this thing was swimming about like so. Now, it's on my chopping board. Boom. Right, what are you going to do? Follow the fin, follow the spine. Oh, and like this video, you absolute legend. Now, run your knife just along the spine there. See it there? Along the backbone. I don't know what it's called. I'll just call it the spine. But yeah, you run along the spine and just keep it as close to the bones as you can. It's quite a bony fish if you get it wrong. And you just run your knife along, pat it down. See it there? Now cut along the board there. That's quite a fleshy bit, lovely jubbly. And then just along there where it's thinner. See? Yeah, man, just along them rib bits and boom. See it there? And that bit. Come no, man. Bombo. See it there? One big fillet. Yeah, man. Now they're both done. We're going to discard this. We're going to make a stock out of the waist, bones and skin and all them things there. But we're going to prep this bit into 3 fillets for a more bougie piece. Yeah, get me? Get rid of that. That can go in your stock and that and that. Yeah, man. 3 pieces. Then you're just going to score your skin so it cooks evenly. We're going to pan fry these 3 pieces. Well, 2 pieces. We're going to make 3 dishes out of this fish. I'm going to show you the ways of the force. The hake force. Hake force. Yeah, you just score it so when you pan fry it, the heat can penetrate into the flesh from the skin side down. Boom. There's your 3 fillets. Now, we're going to roast this piece with some veg. See it there? Peppers and garlic and tomato and red onion. Then we got salt and pepper. You don't know the steez. Lick a piece of oil on there. Yeah, man, I'm showing you. I'm patterning it. Imagine you got 7 people coming. You can do 3-4 different meals with this 1 piece of fish. Boom. Little dill, lemon. Then we're just going to chop it into 4. See it there? Skin side down. Move your lemon out the way. Into the tray. Then we're going to foil the tray. Salt and pepper the ting. Boom. No messing. Into the oven. Wait down, you dirty bomber, you dirty pig. Now, on to our next recipe. This is for a red Thai style sort of curry sauce. You're going to get some chili, onion, garlic, coriander. Boom. In there. Coriander powdered, chili powder, brown sugar. Blitz that up. Boom. Once it's blitzed, add a little oil, couple tablespoons. Blitz again. If you don't have a food processor, you can just chop it till it's tiny. But that's long blood. Now, our roasted bones. See, remember we put them in for our stock. This is our second sauce. Bang them in the pan. Oh, it's great. We've made a curry paste. We made a sauce. We made everything. Everything lock off. You got your bones, your skin, your lemon, your garlic, your warm water. Fill that up. Cover that stuff. Boom. Wait down again, you dirty pig. Now, first dish is done. You've got your fish out the oven. See the steam. Rise, Lord Vader. You are more powerful. Press it and it will just be firm but oh so tender. Now we're just going to plate this up. Draw for your veg, your fish, and now all the juice in the bottom of that tray, you've roasted that off. That's going to make your broth, your lovely sauce that goes with this. See it there? It's like being on the med. It's like being on a cruise or being in Spain and just sitting down with a glass of white and just enjoying your time with your missus and the kids and just having a lovely time. Have some paprika fries with that. It's like being on holiday, blood. Look how peng it is. Oh, it's steamed in its own chip. The broth is beautiful. You got onion, peppers, tomato, garlic, little watercress, paprika fries. Honestly, this is 1 out of 3. You're being spoiled today, you know. You have to follow on Insta so you can vote on the next thing. Look at it, blood. It's absolutely stunning. Can we get a look at that fish? And that's steam. That's easy. That's straight in the oven. No messing. Bang. Right, next recipe. Boom. See our fish stuck there? This is going to make our white wine sauce without white wine. Just a little called fish stock and lemon and garlic and cream. Little salt. Once it's reduced to that level, Yeah? Drain off your fish. Don't worry about the intenseness of the flavour. It's not that intense. It's not that fishy. You ain't got to worry about that. Just drain that off. Boom. Little cream. Bring that to the boil. As soon as it boils, your sauce is done. We're keeping it simple, folks. Next, curry paste. Yeah? Curry paste. Straight in a hot pan. No oil, no nothing. Cook off that curry paste. If you don't cough and cough up your lungs when you cook this, you ain't done it right, blood. There's not enough chilies in there. But just cook this off till your veggies cooked, and then boom, tin of coconut milk straight in there, blood. No messing. Mix that up. It will not split. Trust me on this. Trust me, daddy. Yeah, man. Soon as it's bubbling, she's done. Grab yourself some plates. Keep them warm. Now we're going to cook the fish. Little oil pan dusty. There's your fish. See, nicely prepped by me. Supplied by the legends at Hake, Birmingham. Once your pan's hot, smoky, bang your fish in. Skin side down always. Just give it a press to stop it curling up and going weird. Salt and pepper. Yeah. If you're not comfortable using your fingers, use a spatula like so. See it there? Oh, we're smashing it, blood. Don't fast with it too much. You wait and see that colour around that bottom edge. Yeah, I'll show you what I mean. Zoom in, yeah? See that colour? Not just there yet. Now, see when it looks like that? Boom, we're ready to flip. Flipper, flipper. Oh, look at that skin. Look at that fish. You can tell it's fresh. It's not falling apart. It doesn't smell of nothing. But goodness. Butter. See it there? We're going to baste up the fish. We're going to cook it bougie ways. Bougie ways. Oh, yeah, man. Melt up that butter. Then you're just going to baste up your fish. Let all that butter soak into your slits. Baste it up. Lovely. As soon as you tap it and it's firm, as we said, firm but solid. Firm but lovely. Yeah. And then cloth. Excess butter gone. Peel back. Lovely jubbly. Now we're plating. Got some boiled jasmine rice, little broccoli. Guess what this one's for? This is for the red tide curry spice style thing. Oh yeah, man. Family meals will never be the same. Oh, the beautiful fish. Hake, you don't know. Next thing, mash, green beans. Scatter them on there. Your white wine sauce without white wine. And your fish. And there we have it. 2 absolutely beautiful Hake dishes. Hold tight, Hake Birmingham for the fish. Follow us both on Insta. Hake Birmingham, that's the at @flavour_station. Follow us both, vote, and you can learn how to cook bad boy fish like this and seafood. Maybe we do some lobster, we do some madness. We'll just do a mad thing. Can we look in? Can we look in? Look how moist it, look how fresh it is, man. Oh my days! It's so fresh. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my days. Thanks for watching, bloodies.